Ready to open the hood? Useful for the tutorials?
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Pinch the two tabs on the cover and pull on it. Remove the filter. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. There are three types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filters has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. It can be a little complicated to put the filter back in place. Our tip: slightly twist the filter, then slide in the upper part. Once inside, flatten out the filter. Then, push it in, bit by bit, into position. You can then put the flange back. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.